dreams in Islam 400.
Is dreams in Islam for 400.
Yes.
Umar radiallahu anhu saw in his dream he was drinking milk that came out from his nails. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam interpreted this as, what was the interpretation of this dream?
I'm not quite sure. He was drinking the milk.
He was drinking milk that came from his nails.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I heard it once. Is it representing knowledge?
Very good, very good. What is religious knowledge? Very good.
Yeah,
What is
knowledge.
religious knowledge?
Yeah.
And we know Umar was a very knowledgeable person. Very good. Get to choose the next question.
Yeah. I take, dreams